In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a OneDrive folder name if you want to keep your files organized and make your folders easier to recognize. Renaming a folder in OneDrive is a quick and simple task. This is especially helpful if a folder name is outdated, too vague, or no longer matches the content inside it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is where you'll see the folders and files stored in your account. Take a moment to locate the folder you want to rename. If you have a lot of files saved, it may help to scan carefully before moving on so you don't accidentally edit the wrong folder. Make sure you've selected the correct one, because the next steps will apply to that specific folder. Once you've found the folder, look for the three-dot menu associated with it. This menu is sometimes called the More Options menu, and it gives you access to additional actions you can take for that folder. Click the three dots to open the menu. After the menu appears, choose the Rename option. This tells OneDrive that you want to update the folder's current name. When you click Rename, the folder name will become editable, so you can type in the new one. Now enter the new name you want to use for the folder. Try to choose a name that is clear and descriptive, especially if you're organizing work files, personal documents, or shared content. A good folder name can save time later by making it easier to find exactly what you need. When you've typed the new name, press Enter to confirm the change. OneDrive will then update the folder name right away. At this point, you should see the folder displayed with its new name in your file list. That's all it takes to rename a folder in OneDrive. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your storage neat and manageable. If you're organizing multiple folders, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just go to My Files, open the three-dot menu for the folder you want, click Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. With a few quick updates like this, your OneDrive can become much easier to navigate and maintain.